So first step is cleansing. I love Glossier's Milky Jelly Cleanser. It's made out of contact solution, so it's really soft on the skin and not harsh. So I just take a little glob of it, and I'm actually going to add it to my Foreo Luna to do some exfoliation. So on a wet face, I turn it on, and I'm going to exfoliate gently each quadrant of my face for 15 seconds, and it'll buzz every 15 seconds telling me I've completed it. So after drying my face, I'm going to use Luna's other special characteristic. If you hit it again after the first thing, it boosts this collagen boost section, and do the same thing for 15 seconds on your problem areas. I'm getting a wrinkle right here, so I like to hit that. So I try and exfoliate about once a week. Too much exfoliation can damage your skin and also lead to more breakouts, and then under exfoliating less often actually makes your skin look dull and not as bright. And so you want to exfoliate with this or a face scrub once a week. Next step is to do a soothing face mist. I'm using Glossier's Soothing Face Mist. I've also have homemade ones, Rose Water Spray and the Mario Badescu, but I'm trying this one lately, so. Next, I hit my acne spots with Differin Gel. It's just an acne spot treatment, and so I just apply it a few times a day to those spots that just can't seem to go away. We all have them. And it helps reduce inflammation and eventually get. After toning with some face mist, I use Glossier's Super Bounce. You want to add some sort of serum, and I'm using this lately to keep my skin nice and soft. So you just add a little serum, and then you apply it the Korean way, which is away outwards. The next step is moisturizing. I use Neutrogena Hydro Boost because it's like a gel consistency that is for acne-prone skin. And so here is a special secret. I mix it with a tanning face serum because I can never keep my face tan. So here's my special secret. Are you ready? Clarins makes a tanning serum that you add to your moisturizer, and just 3 drops, mix it, and add to your face, and your face will have a glow all the time without. So here I've mixed it with a little dollop of moisturizer, and I'm just going to apply it evenly to my face. And it's weightless, it doesn't smell, it doesn't get sticky or slimy throughout the day, and you can wear makeup over it. And this is how I keep my face tan without laying out all the time. So after all that in the morning, you would probably apply your makeup. I'm actually not leaving the house today. I have so much computer work to do, so I'm all natural. But that is my morning routine. I do every morning, exfoliate once a week, add serum, and then add some bronzer to your face when you need it.